flooding. At least 6 people are dead. More than 1,000 homes underwater tonight, and in some areas the water still rising. There have been hundreds of rescues across dozens of neighborhoods. This family evacuated just this morning.
Sig handed me a stack. I was like, damn. Pulled my stack out my pocket, handed it to him. We just traded money. Ain't nobody make nothing, ain't nobody lose now. But check me out. Siggity out. I fucked with you.
On standby to help people across the country. Our science editor, Tom Clark, has been travelling through some of the worst hit areas here in the Thames Valley, where water levels are still rising.